Okay, so as we discussed on the phone, you asked me how to change the category images here on your website. So we get the bowls, signature bowls by the pound. So it's pretty easy. Once you're logged into the back end of your website, what you would do is you would click on Clover orders here, settings, and then click on categories and items. So basically what I did was I just uploaded the store logo for you because I didn't know which item belonged to the bowls. But when you get here, just press the trash icon, delete this image, and then replace with something else. Same thing with the signature bowls. So for example, let's say I want to add a picture to the beverages. I just select the camera. It says upload files. Press upload files from here, or just use your media library. For example, I'm going to go ahead and find something that closely resembles that. Um, okay, since okay, there's a picture of some beverages there. Let me just do that. Okay, beverages. So now when I do that, when I go back to your website and I refresh the page, I'll be able to see the pictures of the beverages here. So again, I just used your logo here, so feel free to change that later. So here's the beverages. Where's the beverages? Right there. Okay, and you can also change that later if you want to. Okay, and let me see. This is how you enable tips, which is right here on the checkout settings. You go here, and then the tips. I enable that for you. And if you ever make changes to your inventory, do a manual sync, which is you just do update modifiers, categories, all items. So you go here, import inventory, and only do this when you make changes to your Clover and it hasn't been updated. And also, I recommend doing it once a month because maybe somebody else at the store made some price changes on your Clover POS, or maybe changed the name or did something different that you may not be aware of. So go ahead and do this. I'm going to do it for you right now, just in case there was changes made. So it'll have the same setup as your Clover POS. Okay. And again, there's additional things you can play with. As we talked on the phone, you notice how I was changing the store interface. You can do that by clicking on this. Originally, you had this one, and then I showed you this one, and then I showed you this one, and then you liked this one the best. So we went ahead and kept that one. I also like this one the best for your website. But feel free to experiment with the other ones if you want to. If not, you can just leave it the way it is. Okay, and if you have additional questions or need help, you can call, or you can go on the frequently asked questions, and all the information is here. Or you can just search the YouTube and find additional info there. Okay, hopefully this video proved helpful. Thank you again for your time.